Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit beach filter in Lightroom mobile app. Here are some sample photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to light. Bring the contrast to +20. Highlights down to -50. Shadow to +100. Bring down white to -50. And black bring to -30. Go to curve. Now just follow the steps I'm doing. If you like this video then please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll create more amazing videos just like this. And done. Next go to color. +20 for temperature. +25 for vibrance. Saturation to -30. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Saturation to +10. And luminance to -20. Next go to orange. -6 for the hue. Saturation to +40. And luminance to -30. Now move over to yellow. Hue and saturation bring to -50. Next go to green. -100 for saturation. Next go to aqua. Bring the saturation to -50. And last go to blue. Hue to -50. Saturation and luminance to -40. And done. Next, go to Effect. Texture and Clarity to +10. Now go to Details. Color Noise Reduction to +20. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.